Today we'll talk about how can you get upgrade on your Mimo app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Mimo app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. You just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on get pro. So just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you select here, you get this upgrade here, just click here on upgrade. Or here can you view other plans here. So you just click on it here, then it's going to take you, or it's going to show for you here this list to add your credit or debit card here. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.